What if I told you that simply not eating for a certain period could transform your health, boost brain function, and even extend your lifespan? Fasting has been practiced for centuries, but science is now uncovering its incredible benefits. In this video, we'll explore what fasting does to your body, the best methods to follow, and how you can get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end. You won't want to miss this. Fasting is the voluntary abstinence from food for a specific period. It forces the body to switch from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy, a process called ketosis. When fasting, insulin levels drop, allowing fat stores to be used efficiently. At the same time, fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells clean out damaged components and regenerate. This is why fasting is often linked to longevity and disease prevention. So what are the benefits? Research shows that fasting can improve metabolic health by reducing insulin resistance and lowering blood sugar levels, support weight loss by promoting fat burning and reducing overall calorie intake, enhance brain function by boosting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps protect neurons and improve cognitive performance, reduce inflammation, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Increase longevity. Studies on animals suggest fasting extends lifespan by activating certain longevity genes. A 2019 study in the New England Journal of Medicine confirmed that intermittent fasting supports cellular repair, reduces oxidative stress, and lowers the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and type 2 diabetes. Not all fasting methods are the same. Here are the most popular ones. Intermittent fasting, alternating between periods of eating and fasting, such as the 16-8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat within 8 hours. Alternate day fasting, fasting every other day or significantly reducing calorie intake on fasting days. Extended fasting, going without food for 24 to 72 hours, allowing deeper autophagy and fat loss. The 5-2 diet, eating normally for 5 days and significantly cutting calories for 2 non-consecutive days. Fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about structured, strategic eating. Here's how to do it right. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee to prevent dehydration. Ease into it. Start with shorter fasting windows before attempting longer fasts. Break your fast properly. Avoid binge eating. Opt for nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or excessively weak, reconsider your fasting schedule. There are a lot of misconceptions about fasting. Let's debunk a few. Myth: fasting causes muscle loss. Fact: as long as you get enough protein and strength train, fasting actually preserves muscle mass. Myth: fasting slows metabolism. Fact: short-term fasting can actually boost metabolism by increasing norepinephrine levels. Myth: you'll feel extremely weak. Fact: many people report increased energy and mental clarity once they adapt to fasting. While fasting has many benefits, it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have a history of eating disorders, or suffer from certain medical conditions, consult a healthcare provider before starting. Fasting is more than just skipping meals. It's a powerful tool for better health, longevity, and mental clarity. But like any tool, it must be used correctly. Have you tried fasting before? What's your experience? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed nutrition content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.